In this video, I am going to discuss this year MPPSC prelim examination questions and hopefully try to find the source from where these questions were picked up. As usual, I would like to keep this video bilingual. So let's get into it. Let's see our first question. It was regarding match the following states and their respective chief ministers who became prime ministers of India. So आप अपनी right hand side of your screen you can see this page is from Lakshmikant and clearly the topic is mentioned, that is chief minister who became prime ministers. So these two options were very easy. कोई भी इनको मैच कर सकता था जो कि नरेंद्र मोदी और चरण सिंह थे, बट HD देवगौड़ा एंड नरसिम्हा राव, दीज टू आर ट्रिकी. सो अगर आप ये पैसेज पढ़ते हो देन यू कैन ईजिली सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, दैट इज HD देवगौड़ा belong to Karnataka and Narasimha Rao to undivided Andhra Pradesh, where this question was clearly picked up from Lakshmikant. और अगर आप ये पढ़े होते तो you could have easily solved this question. Coming to our next question, this was regarding Supreme Court of India. Okay, so as usual on the right hand side of your screen is the page from Lakshmikant, or this question dealt with Supreme Court of India. So as you can clearly see here, it mentions acting, ad hoc and retired judges. That is the three type of judges which can be appointed by Supreme Court. So clearly ad hoc judges is the correct answer, and clearly this question was also picked up from Lakshmikant. And regarding additional judges deals with High Court and not Supreme Court. ये फैक्ट भी लक्ष्मीकांत में मेंशन था. अगर आप ये भी पढ़ते देन यू कुड हैव एलिमिनेटेड. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, ये क्वेश्चन था कैग के बारे में एंड इट्स ड्यूटीज एंड पावर्स. सो इस क्वेश्चन को भी आप राइट हैंड साइड में देख सकते हो. लक्ष्मीकांत का पेज है. अगर आप पढ़ते इसको तो यू कुड हैव इजीली सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, ऑल्दो इट इज़ बिट ट्रिकी. जो कि सेकेंड ऑप्शन है इसमें बोला है कि it can audit all departments, but secret service is an exception to CAG. so 90% तो बहुत सही है, पर PSC ने तो दोनों ही सही माना है. पर अगर this question can also be disputed because secret service can not be audited by CAG. but leaving that aside, अगर ये क्वेश्चन भी लक्ष्मीकांत से ही है. अगर आप लक्ष्मीकांत अच्छे से पढ़ते you could have solved this question. moving on to next question. Although who was the first vice chairman of Niti Aayog? So this question is not mentioned in Lakshmikant, but this is a very basic question. अगर आपने basic reading भी करी और नीति आयोग if you had prepared well because it was given as a subtopic in unit 10, तो अगर आप वो पढ़ते तो you could have easily solved this question. Now coming to the next question. This was Niti Aayog which we had done. Now coming to the next question, which is who is not included in the committee to recommend name for the appointment of chairperson and members of State Human Rights Commission. As I have highlighted with the green highlighter, if you read this passage, it is clearly mentioned that who is a part of the committee and who is not. So this question is also picked up from Lakshmikant, और बहुत easy question था. अगर आप लक्ष्मीकांत पढ़ते as a matter of fact कि कोई और भी बुक पढ़ते उसमें भी दिया रहता, बट सिंस यू आर लुकिंग स्पेसिफिकली फॉर लक्ष्मीकांत, सो ये क्वेश्चन भी वहाँ से आएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विद इन हाउ मेनी डेज एन अपील कैन बी मेड बाय एन एग्रीव्ड पर्सन बाय डिसीजन ऑफ द NGT टू सुप्रीम कोर्ट. सो आई कैन नॉट फाइंड दिस क्वेश्चन, द सोर्स टू दिस क्वेश्चन इन लक्ष्मीकांत, बट आई थिंक दिस क्वेश्चन वॉज पिक्ड अप फ्रॉम NGT वेबसाइट एज इट इज़. यू कैन सी ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ योर स्क्रीन 90 डेज का टाइम रहता है. तो ये क्वेश्चन NGT से आया था, बट इट इज़ नॉट गिवन इन लक्ष्मीकांत. कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दिस वॉज ऑल्सो इन वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर. सो 3 स्टेटमेंट्स आर गिवन. आपको पता करना था, एलिमिनेट करके भी हो सकता था ये क्वेश्चन, और इसका सोर्स भी एज यूजुअल लक्ष्मीकांत है. पॉलिटी के मोस्टली जितने क्वेश्चन आते हैं, इफ़ यू रीड लक्ष्मीकांत केयरफुली 2 times, you are in very good shape to handle this question. So this question can also be solved from Lakshmikant. if you read this passage, you will be able to answer. As we know, they hold the office for 65 years. So yes, ये क्वेश्चन भी आप लक्ष्मीकांत से कर सकते थे. Now coming to next question. How many states and union territories were established by the 1956 State Restructuring Act? So this question, ये question भी आप लक्ष्मीकांत से कर सकते थे. See, it is mentioned here if you read this passage that at the time, as a result, 14 states and 6 union territories were created on November 1, 1956. Directly it is picked up from लक्ष्मीकांत. So ये question भी बहुत easily solve हो जाता है लक्ष्मीकांत से. Now coming to next question. This was regarding the joint sitting of the parliament. So although this is a subjective question, but still if you had read Lakshmikant, you would have been in good shape to answer this question. But PSC has considered answer as a intention of president because it is mentioned in the constitution. But if you had done consent of president, this can also be right. We have to wait for the final answer की. But ये भी लक्ष्मीकांत ने दिया है और आप राइट हैंड साइड पे देख सकते हो अंडर लेजिस्लेटिव पावर्स ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट. सो अगर आप पढ़ते तो ये क्वेश्चन भी आपको बन जाता. नाउ कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस वाज रिगार्डिंग आर्टिकल 24. अगेन अ सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन, ऑल्दो इट इज नॉट क्लियरली मेंशन्ड इन लक्ष्मीकांत, but still it is given under right against exploitation and prohibition of employment of children in factories. So इसका कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं absolute prohibition होना चाहिए, कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं reasonable. PSC ने इसको absolute माना है. So partially this came from Lakshmikant. Okay. Now coming to the next question. This was regarding Article 368. So it is also mentioned, इसका सोर्स भी आप देख सकते हो लक्ष्मीकांत में. 24th Amendment Act I have highlighted with red color. 24th Amendment Act, the act amended Article 30 and 368. So this statement was tricky. So it is mentioned in Lakshmikant. ये तो आपको अपन को सबको ही पता है, GST amended 368 central state and so on so forth. But this one was tricky and it is mentioned in Lakshmikant. So this was also picked up, you can say picked up from Lakshmikant. Now coming to the final question. The provision of reservation of seats for ST in municipality. So this was an easy question and this was also picked up from Lakshmikant. As you can see, I have ticked with red marker. It was also given in Lakshmikant. So to conclude, मैं यही बोलना चाहूँगा कि if you read Lakshmikant well once or twice, you will have a very strong grip over this subject. और अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन आता है स्पेशली PSC लेवल का, देन आपका वो गलत हो ही नहीं सकता है बिकॉज, और आप देख ही रहे हैं कि सारे क्वेश्चंस, मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस वर पिक्ड अप फ्रॉम लक्ष्मीकांत वर्बैटिम. अनदर एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस बुक इज़ इट कम्स इन बोथ मीडियम, दैट इज़ इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी. सो आपका जो मीडियम है उस हिसाब से आप इस बुक को पढ़िए एंड यू वोंट रिग्रेट रीडिंग इट. सो विद दिस आई वुड लाइक टू एंड द वीडियो. इफ़ you like the content, please make sure you subscribe the channel. It really gives me motivation to make such videos. Thank you.